YouTube, this is XS1100 Ford 390 coming to you from beautiful Idaho. It's a wet, rainy Sunday afternoon, and I thought I'd just show you guys a new project that I just got yesterday. New to me, 1980 Yamaha XS1100 Special. It's an 1100cc transverse mount 4-cylinder. It's got 33,000 original miles. I am the third owner. The last owner never rode it. He's had it for 4 years and it's just been sitting. It's got the cassette player, the Vetter sound, the Vetter windjammer fairing, just like my Goldwing does over there. And it doesn't run. It's got a shredded front tire. It's just been sitting too long. I aired up the rear tire yesterday. It's got a Kirker 4-to-1 exhaust system, which is pretty cool. Actually pretty fast. This was Yamaha's answer to the big bore Honda and Kawasaki's and Suzuki's. So Yamaha went ahead and made it 100 cc's bigger. These bikes make around 96 horsepower and about 66.5 pound-feet of torque. They'll run an 1178 quarter-mile stock. Of course, this has that aftermarket exhaust system right there. Mint. And it'll add a little bit. Of course, when you put an aftermarket exhaust system, you want to make sure your jetting's correct and all that good stuff. But the carbs are stuck. Can't really do anything there. The front brakes work. Clutch is free. So I kind of just sprayed this thing off. I'll post some photos about what this thing looked like when it first arrived at my house. But it is gonna replace my GL1000 over here because I've had this bike for like 4 years, and obviously it's really dirty because it's been sitting over here. And it's got a nice LED headlight in there that's about 3,000 lumen. I've had this bike for 4 years. I rebuilt the engine for about $1,500. I did the rebuild myself, but it's just been one thing after another on this bike. I have glass packs on there for exhaust. And last time I rode this thing, it actually stranded me because it broke the drive shaft, believe it or not. So, the thing has 181,000 miles on it. But I'll do another video of that later. But anyway, this bike is going to replace it because I'm going to sell that one and use this one for running back and forth to work and stuff, which I have to go 90 miles a day. And it's basically all highway and freeway. So this will do the job. I just basically got to clean the carburetors on it, put a battery in it, and put at least a front tire on it, if not a back too. The back holds air, but it's got a little bit of dry rot on it, so I'll probably change that. And then I'll just either reupholster the seat or I'll slap a different seat on it. So that's pretty much it right now. I'll make more videos as I work on this thing and get it running, and the first start and all that fun stuff too. Stick around for that. Leave a comment if you want. Subscribe. Like the video if you want. But that's the next project I have to tackle. Thanks for watching, you guys, and as always, have a great day.